Mr. May I please be recognized? Thank you, Mr. Mr. Sir, in light of the upcoming retirement of Brigadier General Anton Abrina, the commander of the 2nd Mechanized Brigade, so may I respectfully move for an adoption of resolution of this esteemed Regional Peace and Order Council of Region 10, honoring and commending the valuable services of Brigadier Anton Abrina, of the commander of the 2nd Mechanized Brigade, which has contributed to the stability of security, peace and order of Northern Mindanao. I so move, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Mayor. So we have a resolution. Expressing our appreciation, our thanks and commendation to General Abrina for all his contributions, especially to the LGUs that are under the jurisdiction. So, subject to style, so any objection? Of course. Hearing none, the motion is adopted, resolution is adopted, and Secretariat is please directed to draft this in coordination with Mayor Mabel for the exact text of our resolution. Thank you.